What's the meaning of carpe diem? Carpe diem. Carpe diem.
Carpe diem. Carpe diem. Carpe diem is a Latin phrase that means seize the day. It encourages people to live in the present moment and make the most of their time. By embracing this philosophy, individuals can avoid regret for things they did not do and find joy in the experiences they have. Carpe diem reminds us that time is finite and every moment is precious, so we should prioritize what truly matters and take action today instead of waiting for tomorrow. Overall, carpe diem inspires us to live boldly and carpe every diem, or seize every day.